I asked you to find the square root of 49, you'd immediately say it's 7. Now, if I asked for the square root of 52, you'd need to use a calculator, right? But what if I told you there's a way to get a very accurate estimate without a calculator in just a few seconds? First, find the perfect square just below your number. You can make a list of square numbers or just do it in your head. In this case, we are looking for the square root of 52, so the number whose square is just under it is 7, since 7 squared equals 49. Now we know our answer will be 7 point something. The decimal after 7 will be written as a fraction. To find the numerator of this fraction, we need to find the difference between 52 and 49, which is 3. To find the denominator, just take 7 and double it, which is 14. Our final answer to the square root of 52 is 7 plus 3 over 14, which is approximately 7.214. The actual value of the square root of 52 is 7.211, which is really close. The formula for this method can be expressed as square root of n approximately equals a squared minus n divided by 2a, where n is the number you're trying to find the square root of, and a is the number whose perfect square is just below it. In our example, n was 52 and a was 7, so the equation would look something like this. This formula can be useful, but don't worry if you don't understand it, since you can just remember the steps without it. It is also important to know that, despite getting a value which is extremely close to the correct answer, this system does get increasingly inaccurate as you move further away from a perfect square. Next, let us try solving something a bit more challenging using our method. Let's try to calculate the square root of 89. The perfect square just below 89 is 81, so the answer starts with 9. Now subtract. 89 minus 81 is 8, and 9 times 2 is 18, which comes out to about 9.444. The real value is roughly 9.434, again, very close. For our last example, let us find the square root of 67. I'm sorry I had to do it. For this one, the perfect square just below 67 is 64, so our answer starts with 8. 67 minus 64 is 3. 8 times 2 is 16. So our estimate is 8 plus 3 over 16, which is approximately 8.188. The actual value is about 8.185. Now you have a simple way to estimate the square root of a number in your head in just a few seconds. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe.